Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Like that. Okay. That was the 1 minute burp. The 1 minute burping challenge. Somebody asked me for like a tutorial, and a couple of people liked that. So how you is you kind of swallow air down here, and then you like try to push it back up, kind of. It's hard to explain, but yeah. And yeah, leave me any challenges or requests, like if you want me just a tour or more burps, or I don't know. Maybe I could do Google searches, like look at random vines and stuff. And yeah, bye.